Okay guys, so I'm excited for this video because I'm going to do a demo slash first impressions on the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Whip Out Color Correcting Palette. This guy. Well, first of all, like, look at the packaging, you guys. It's sea themed. So, I mean, what else do I need to have every single piece of this collection, right? So, this is what the packaging looks like. It's cushiony. Like, it has very little cushion here. Okay, so this is what the product looks like. I'm gonna read. It actually comes, this is a cool part. It comes with a little like face chart of where to apply the products, and it actually lets you know what each color works for on the face. So the yellow one, which is the center one, I'm looking at this is a whole different language. So the yellow one is gonna brighten and highlight high planes of the face. So this one I'm gonna use to highlight. Number 1, counter darkness. The orange, which is like the salmon color, it counteracts darkness. So this one's gonna go on any darkness, like under the eye for me, some like a little around the nose. Number 2, which is the green one, it neutralizes any redness. I think that's where you would apply it, around the nose or anywhere on the cheek. Number 3, define and sculpt, which is a darker color. It's a little on the warm side, so I wouldn't use it for contour, maybe for like to bronze. Number 4 and 5, which are these two, you're gonna use to camouflage. So you choose the perfect shade of peach to camouflage and blend with your skin tone. Apply on top of the lids to neutralize any discoloration alongside to warm shades or to soften harsh lines. Okay, cool. So these are gonna help blend everything out. That's what this little guy says. Whoops, I just dropped the little cover sheet. Okay, so let's try it out. I have my brushes all nice and clean, ready to use. So, oh, I also washed my beauty blender because I'm going to use it to blend everything. I also sprayed my face with this to prime it, and I think we're ready to go, right? So, okay, so should we go by numbers? Number 1, the first one is the brightening one, but I think I would want to neutralize the redness, the darkness. So I'm gonna take a paddled brush and I'm gonna pick up the orange one.
This is really orange, you guys. Okay, there.
It says you can put it in this inner part of the eye. I don't really get any darkness there. Most of my darkness is under the, like under my eye, like the actual bags. So I think I'm gonna leave it there. Number 2, it's gonna neutralize any redness. Whoops, I just stained it with orange. Okay, so let me take a smaller brush. Apply it around my nose. I know that's where I get most of my redness. Some redness here. There. We're done with that, and then define and sculpt with number 3. So I'm going to take the edge of this brush, pick up some of that number 3, like that. there. I'm gonna do my forehead. This is so cool. I'm excited to actually have this at work and try it out on clients. Okay, so I need to put some of it here, which I'll just do because that's what it's telling me to do. And then the highlighting shade. Oh shoot! Let me get a lighter, smaller brush. So the yellow one's gonna be for brightening. Right here. Okay. I should have done like really cool designs. Okay, so I'm gonna take the beauty blender and I think I'm gonna take this color. I'll take a little bit of both. Let's see how it works. And then I don't know how to do this. I guess first I'm gonna blend this.
Okay, so trying to blend.
So I'm running this in between everything that I've applied. These two necessarily don't have to necessarily cover the product or the color. It's just smoothing it out, everything.
Cool. I think I like this.
Okay, so after this, I think my face is ready to go in with foundation. I think that's how this works. Once all shades have been applied, use a buffing brush to blend 4 and 5 all over the colors for a natural finish. I think it does give a natural finish, and it's really lightweight, surprisingly. I just I like the whole overall look. I feel like I can just wear this and not wear any foundation. I don't know if that's the whole point of this. Let me see. But if anything, maybe just a little concealer, because I still see a little more. I still see some of that peach, that orange undertone. But it doesn't really say anything about it doesn't say anything about going over it with foundation, but I'm gonna do it because I want to. Okay, so I'm gonna mix Stromboli from NARS with Makeup Forever 155, and I'm just gonna apply it everywhere. I think it's just gonna cover it up. I shouldn't have picked up so much of it. I like this. I actually really like this. Before, I would have used a lot of foundation, and if you can see, I still have a lot left that I didn't even have to use. So that's cool. Okay, so I'm just gonna set everything with the powder, and I'm gonna use very little of the Laura Mercier translucent powder. And I'm just patting it because I don't want to move any of the product that I just applied. So I'm just dusting it. Okay, so I'm gonna finish the rest of my face and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm excited for this video because I'm actually gonna... Did you hear that?
What?
Oh, my banza.
Did you hear that?
Chingam! Dude, en serio.
Perfect timing.